Here is how you can reject incoming call with a text message or text response. This is quite easy to let others know that you may be busy doing something. Now, to reject an incoming call, you need to follow this. First, let's get you receive a call on your iPhone. When you get the caller screen on your phone, here you can see the message icon. From here, you can tap and send the text message from here. If you add something to your writing, then you can tap Custom. Here you can send any custom message that you may want to send to calling person on your iPhone. Even you set customs text if you want for instant text for calls for that. You need to open settings, scroll down, tap apps, scroll down, find out phone apps. Here you need to choose tap response with text. Here you can add customs your text response with. So guys, this is how you can reject an incoming call with a response for texting. Now, if you still have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.